Here's a look at this Lash shampoo kit. I'll show you everything that's inside of it. Obviously you can tell it comes with this nice clear plastic bag case with a smooth zipper on it. Little pump bottle with a nozzle right here. Boom, batteries charged right out the box. Nice little fan, blows out of this side, and you actually has multiple settings on it, so you can make it blow harder if you want. 3 different levels, charging port right there. Got a little stand for it also. And then right here you've got your Lash shampoo, and it comes in plastic, so it's not leaking or definitely hasn't been tampered with at all. Comes with the charging cable right here for charging the fan. And then you also get this little brush. Show you the glitter inside of there and the bristles. Awesome little kit right here. And you also get some instructions to go along with it. So I think you'll be really happy with this kit. It's a good little kit.